Hello students, today we are going to solve few MCQs related to the cell chapter, one of the important chapter in 11th CBSE biology. Here is the first question: who gave cell theory? Sheldon and Chavan. Cell theory explains that every organism consists of small units called cell. Dash told first that new cells arise from pre-existing cell, and the answer is Rudolf Virchow. The largest isolated single cell is that of an egg of an ostrich. Which organism among these does not have a cell wall? Answer is animal cell. Which among these is the smallest in size? So here are few diagrams you can see, and the smallest is option D, virus. Option D, virus. Now next question: ribosomes in prokaryotic cells are 70s, whereas is two subunits are made up of larger subunit is of 50s and a smaller subunit is of 30s. Ribosomes in eukaryotic cells are 80s, whereas its larger subunit is of 60s and smaller subunit is of 40s. In prokaryotic cell, the nucleus is primitive type where nucleus is not covered by nuclear membrane. Which of the following is not a eukaryote? And the answer is cyanobacteria. Unlike the plant cell, animal cell have a centriole and a dash vacuole. Here the vacuole is small in case of animal cell. Which of the following do not have a cell wall in their cells? The answer is animal cells. Membrane bound organelles is absent in prokaryotes. Cell membrane in the animal cell comprised of phospholipid bilayer. Lipids and neutral molecules can move in and out of an animal cell through passive diffusion. A cell wall is a dash structure. Cell wall is a semi-permeable structure. Which of the following is not a part of endomembrane system? And the answer is chloroplast, mitochondria and peroxisomes. They are not a part of endomembrane system. Now next question is, which of the following is a major site of lipid synthesis? The major site of lipid synthesis is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Peroxisome contains oxidase enzyme or oxidizing enzyme. Which of the ion holds the ribosomal subunits together? And the answer is magnesium ion. Mg2 plus ions holds the two ribosomal units together. Next question: the stacks of closely packed thylakoids in the chloroplast are considered as granum. The structure of plasma membrane fluid mosaic model proposed by Singer and Nicholson. Factory of ribosome in a cells is nucleolus. The photograph or diagram of metaphysiochromosomes arranged in homologous pair according to their length and thickness, position of centromere is called as ideogram. Largest organelle in cell: mitochondria in animal cell, chloroplast in plant cell. Tubulin occur in cilia and flagella. The cell wall is absent in mycoplasma. The eukaryotic ribosomes are ATS, prokaryotic 70S and eukaryotic ATS. How much percent of vacuole occupy the volume of cell in plants? And the answer is 90% volume is occupied by vacuole in case of plant cell. Longest cell in human body are nerve cells. Cellular organelles with membranes are lysosomes, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria are the cellular organelles with membranes. Spherosomes are involved in synthesis and storage of lipids. Which is not true about spherosomes? Not true is involved in photorespiration, whereas they arise from endoplasmic reticulum, related for fat metabolism, and they are single membrane bound structures. Mitochondria and chloroplast are considered to be endosymbionts of cell because they possess their own nucleic acids. Mitochondria and chloroplast, they possess their own nucleic acids. That's why they are endosymbionts of cell. Two cell organelles in plants cell having own genetic material are, one is mitochondria and another one is chloroplast. They have their own genetic material. Cytoskeleton is made up of proteinaceous filaments. Next question. The fluid-filled vacuole or vesicle which are separated from cytoplasm by a selectively permeable membrane is called as tonoplast. The nucleus was first discovered by Robert Brown. Which of the following cell centriole is absent? In which of the following cell centriole is absent? And the answer is nerve cell. Which one is not difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? That is presence of cell wall. Which of the following is present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? And the answer is ribosomes. Plastids which stores fats and oils are called as elioplast.